It is Thursday. Let's update what we've done. Cut the support bars out of that hood. Don't be needed. Got this ready. I'm gonna have to throw a little filler on there. I haven't put the grill back in yet. I already showed you guys the wiring's done. Made them positive and negative cables, and it turns out we're probably going to be putting the battery back under the bed, which sucks because it took like 3 hours. Not really, it took like 20 minutes. But, getting this ready to do a little bit of work on. The steering wheel is mounted. It's good to go. Had it lower it down a lot, but it's good to go. E-brake, I am starting to work on that. Wiring will be next. But the big thing is the bed is on. I literally just finished this. So, stand back, take a look. Yeah, looks good. Now I know you're seeing it like, it looks like it's really far, you know, in the center there, but it's not. It's actually the rake we put on the bed. And everything bows in the center and everything, so when you get down straight at it, you can see just the way the body looks. We're actually going to put a filler panel in there to make it, you know, not look like that, to throw people's eye off. Wheels are pretty straight in there. These 20s are going on there. In fact, we're going to get the money for the tires tomorrow or the next day, sometime soon. Those are going on, 20s. But how the bed is on is we literally start at the lowest point, which is, or at the highest point, I'm sorry, which is the center one on this Dakota, and we make everything the same length down on all of them, so when you put your wood in, it's perfectly flat and straight. Oh, I got all the fiberglass sanded down, and now I have some filler on it. It was like 94 degrees today, and I literally put a tiny bit of hardener in that stuff just to where I can work with it, and it didn't last long at all. I ended up throwing like, I don't know, a golf ball size chunk away. I hate doing that. Do have to knock this down and fill it. But other than that, we are getting close. Oh, I ground the door down today too, and it's going to require some fill. Other than that though, it is going. It is close. I hope and pray and beg that it will be done next week. Hoping so bad it's done next week. I've been on this almost 3 months. I don't know what this thing is. It is in here every night. What are you? I think it's a little crawdad. But it don't bother me. I don't bother. Oh, hey, there's 2 of them. I didn't even know. But yes, we are getting there now. It is starting to look like a truck again. Well, it was an 18-wheeler, like, you know, a heavy truck first, so now it's looking like a new truck. But I'm done for tonight. Okay, so now I have the exhaust back on. Made a little zippy hanger there, so it is not going anywhere. It's welded up here. I have filler on the doors up front, a little over here. Still got some around the window to do. Up front over there. You can see now the interior is pretty freaking clean. What I have to do now is, after I finish sanding around that window, I need to make the filler neck location here. I don't know where yet. We usually try to get them about a little bit up from being straight off that to where, you know, gas flows in. Got a little bit of filler around here, got to knock off. That door, there. The steering column, I believe I already showed. pedals are all mounted, e-brakes mounted. I have to cut for the light switch. I have to cut out for the air conditioner over there. And let's see here. What else do I have to do? Probably gonna have to get the buckets put on. I gotta get the grill put back on. I'm having a problem with the proportioning valve right now. Hold on one second. But I cut this tube nut off. I thought the tube nut was bad and was stripped. It wasn't. It's actually a proportioning valve. $275 for the proportioning valve. No, I'll drill it, tap it to a bigger nut, and then use that. Yeah, it's got some filler. That's got to be ground down. But the big thing I am going to start doing after I try to knock all that out real quick are the running boards. We have to make running boards from this from scratch. And it's not going to be hard, but it's not going to be that simple easy either. Not easy. Not simple easy. Not simple either. But yeah. As far as after I get this sanded out, the little bit of high I see over here, the truck's actually like up on the air right now, so everything looks so tall. But I will put the carpet and seats back in. Well, I might not put them seats back in because these guys who put the rear window in might need the interior like empty. I'm not sure yet. I'll check and see what's up with that. What else can I do today? I don't know. I gotta pick up a battery tomorrow and hopefully have the proportioning valve fixed by then, so I can start it. Oh, I gotta pick up coolant too. Yeah, we get that at, let's just call it the Wall. You know where they sell the walls at the mart. We get it there. It's the cheapest place, along with oil. You know, that's always cheaper everywhere like that. But yeah, what else has to be done? There's a lot of little things that have to be done. Oh, gauges. Gotta do gauges too. Yes, gauges have to be done. Now in these trucks, the way the steering wheel is and the dash is round, your actual steering wheel will be offset from your gauges, like about that right there. Now there's no way around that, because if you put it straight with your gauges, your steering wheel will be like, will be like this, and it'll throw you over into the passenger seat almost. I mean, it's pretty far, but you know, there's a give and take to building things like this. You know, I'm sure somebody could, you know, move the steering shaft over that way, but then you start hitting, like, you know, exhaust manifolds, exhaust, and everything like that. But I mean, that would be like to the nth degree of building these trucks, and we basically build them so cheap right now to make, you know, us hot rod guys happy, so they're not in them a lot. But yeah, let me get a back view here, and we should have the 20s on it by the end of the week. We ordered tires. We are waiting for them to get to our wheel and tire guy, and we will have them put on. I think I'm gonna have him clean the beads, and I'm gonna check about new valve stems too. I think we should have new valve stems put in it. But yep, keep watching. I like doing the hand thing from behind. It's hilarious. Yeah, what else has to be done? That's where the exhaust exits, is basically up toward the bed. The guy can either cut them and have them downturned back there, or whatever he wants. We'll figure that one out. Gotta fix this slice in the bed. I'm just gonna weld it up. No big deal, nothing special. What else has to be done? I don't know. That seems to be it for now. It's a long list. It is Monday, and let's get on it.